Yeah, so the first question I'm going to address is the question that I've had couple of times. Why do I have this channel? The reason for the channel is very easy. It is something that I enjoy. It's something that I really like. I like prepping. I like talking to people. I like helping people. So to a certain extent, that is the reason why I've got this whole thing going and why I started this channel is to share what I like with those who like to share, to like to listen to what I've got to say. I'm not claiming to be an expert on everything survival and prepping related, but I've got some experience in this field. I have done some training. I've done some little bit of everything, and I'm going to ask if you take something from these videos, double check it to make sure that I'm not lying to you. Although I promise you that being honest in making the videos and what we're saying is definitely one of the things I strive for. And if I tell you something, it is definitely in good faith. But double check if you want to. I've got no hassles with that. If you want to do it, by all means, do it. Like I said, I'm not claiming to be an expert. I'm not claiming to be the alpha and the omega of survival and prepping, but I've been doing this for a while. So, yeah, that is just take it or leave it.